Hi there, everyone, and welcome to your practice. My name is Alan. Today we will do yoga for beginners. So I know I've been doing quite a lot of videos lately, and this is dedicated to 10-minute practice or yoga flows are dedicated for those who just started practicing yoga or who are curious to doing yoga. And the purpose behind this is that while we yoga teachers and yoga practitioners would really advocate for the benefits of practicing yoga, not everyone has the time to do the full on 60-minute to 90 minutes of practicing yoga. Some of us would rather be productive and continue working. And so that's the reason why we or I intended to do these videos. So when you're ready, let's begin by sitting on our easy seated pose, Sukhasan, and placing your hands on your lap. Let's just stay here for a while and noticing your presence, noticing where you are at this point. Begin to inhale to your nose. Exhale to your mouth. Inhale to your nose. Exhale to your mouth. Let's sweep our feet under and meet in your tabletop. And stacking your wrists under your shoulders, your knees under your hips, you may tuck your toes or untuck your toes, whichever feels like today. On your next inhale, you're gonna move forward and then exhale, pull your hips to the back. We're gonna do that rocking back and forth for 2 more times. Exhale. So notice we're trying to load our weight to our wrists right from the shoulders. Now slowly walk your hands a little bit forward. Now this time we are on our half chaturanga, or going down on our belly, on our chest, on our chin. So from here, begin to bend your elbows as you drop everything. On your exhale, push yourself up. Now pull your hips towards your heels. Let's do that 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Push yourself up. Sit on your heels. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Now slowly come back to your neutral spine. Walk your hands closer to your shoulders. We're gonna tilt your hips out. Inhale. As you drop your belly, gaze forward or upwards. On your exhale, rounding your back, tucking your chin. Inhale and exhale. Last one, inhale and exhale. Come back to your neutral spine, and when you're ready, begin to extend your legs to the back to a high plank. Stacking your wrists under your shoulders, parallel your shoulders to your hips. Stay here. When you're ready, look towards your toes, and we're gonna crawl with your hands, one hand span at a time, until you can reach your toes And then bend your knees a lot. Slowly with your spine, roll yourself up with your shoulders and your neck stacking on top of each other. We're ready now for our sun salutation. Now, when it comes to sun salutation, this is really good for the entire body, and this is why most of yoga teachers and yoga practitioners would really say if you just start with one Surya sun salutation or Surya Namaskar, then you will definitely feel the difference right after. So first up, we're gonna go slow, and then we're gonna go on a faster pace. This is for 5 rounds, and I hope that you join me. Come to the tops of your mat with your palms facing towards the short side of your mat, right in front. On your inhale, lift your arms up, palms together, gazing upwards. Lengthening your arms, lengthening your spine, activating your legs. That would be that would include your quads, your hamstrings, your buttocks, your calf muscles, your feet. On your exhale, hinge all the way forward, hands down on the floor. Microbend or bend your knees a lot. Now, doesn't need to having your fingertips on the floor, but if you want to really reach forward, then maybe pulling your belly towards your thighs. Inhale, hands to your shins, lengthen your spine, bring your sternum forward, gaze forward. Exhale, hands down. We're gonna step back to your high plank, stacking your wrists under your shoulders. Inhale, then exhale, drop your knees, your chest, your chin. Untuck the toes. Inhale, we're gonna lift our chest to our cobra, extending your arms. Exhaling, turn your toes under. We're gonna lift our hips up and back. Downward facing dog. For your first downward facing dog, go ahead, pedal your feet up and down. On your next inhale, look forward. You're gonna step your feet in between your hands. Go ahead. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and then exhale, pull your chest towards your thighs. Inhale, rounding yourself all the way up, lifting your arms up. Back to the original position. Exhale, hands to your heart center and to the side. That was one full Surya Namaskar A, your Sun Salute A. And we're gonna do that for 4 more rounds. So at this point, we might go over time with a 10-minute flow, but I assure you, you're gonna really feel a lot with this. Okay, so when you're ready, go to the tops of your mat. Inhale, lift your arms up, Urdhvastasana. Exhale, hinge all the way forward down to your Uttanasana. Inhale, look forward, lengthen, hands to your shin, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, hands down, step back to your high plank and stay. Now, for those of you who would like to go strong, you may move forward, grab onto your elbows towards your chest, down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Untuck the toes, inhale, lifting your chest to your Bhunjangasana. Exhale, turn your hips up and back, downward facing dog, your Adho Mukha Svanasana. And stay here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward. Lift your heels and bend your knees. You feeling you're moving your weight forward. So go ahead. When you felt that, go ahead, move forward and step your feet in between your arms. Exhale, bow down. Inhale to rise, lift up. Exhale, hands to your heart center, back to your Tadasana. We're gonna do that for 3 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, step back, high plank. Inhale. Exhale, drop your knees, chest, chin. This is your another option, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, lift your chest, Cobra or Bhujangasana. Exhale to your downward facing dog. And stay here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward, step your feet in between your arms, and then exhale. Inhale, rise up, lift up. Exhale, hands to your heart center and to the side. Now you're gonna catch your breath. We're gonna do 2 more rounds. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, hands to the back. Inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale, untuck and lift your chest. Exhale to downward facing dog. Stay here for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, step forward. And then exhale down. Inhale to rise, lift up. And exhale, hands to your heart center. Last one here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look forward. Step your feet. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise. Exhale, hands to your heart center. Now stay here for a while. Notice your breath. And you feel like your heart just wanted to come out of your ribs, then that's fine. Allow yourself to slow down your heart as we regulate ourselves. We normalize our breathing. Notice your inhalation is trying to be the same as your exhalation. Now slowly, let's come back to our Sukhasana, our easy-seated pose, crossing your legs, facing your leg, one leg in front of the other. Now placing your hands on your lap, begin to tune in again to yourself. Allowing yourselves to be grateful to what you just did. Acknowledging your presence and trying to know what yoga is all about. Know that this is asanas, the third limb of yoga. And notice that there are other limbs of yoga. There are actually the 8 limbs of yoga. I hope to share you the other limbs soon, but know that you did well today. Hands to your heart center. See you again next time.